Story time! Today's story is The Whispering Oak Tradition. The Whispering Oak Tradition. In the quiet town of Willowbrook, nestled in the heart of the countryside, there was a peculiar tradition. Every year, on the first day of spring, the entire town would gather in the meadow at the break of dawn. They had done their brightest attire and carry with them a single, unmarked envelope. Inside that envelope was a secret, something they had never shared with anyone. At the center of meadow stood a magnificent oak tree, known as the whispering oak, for its rustling leaves that seemed to murmur secrets to those who listened. As the sun began to rise, the townspeople formed a circle around the tree, each holding their envelope tightly. Mayor Evelyn, an elderly woman with a heart-warming smile, stepped forward and addressed the crowd. My dear friends, she began, today we gather to share our deepest trust with this wise old oak. It's a way to unburden ourselves and connect with our community. One by one, they approached the whispering oak, their voices quieting as they whispered their secrets. Some confessed hidden loves, others admit their fears and insecurities. There was confessions of past mistakes and dreams yet to be pursued. Tears were shed and laughter echoed across the meadow. The oak seemed to sway gently as if acknowledging each revelation. Its branches, like open arms, welcomed the vulnerability of the townspeople. As the last secret was whispered, a sense of unity and relief washed over the gathering. No longer were these secrets hidden away, but shared openly within their tight knit community. Over the years, the whispering oak became a symbol of trust and unity in Willow Rock. The townspeople felt a deep connection with each other, knowing that they had all bared their souls beneath the ancient tree. Friendship grew stronger, and the sense of belonging deepened. One spring morning, as the sun rose over the meadow, the townspeople gathered around the whispering oak once again. But this time, Mayor Evelyn shared her own secret. She revealed a dream she had kept hidden for years, a dream to see the world beyond Willowbrook. The town relied behind her, offering sports and encouragement. They helped her fulfill her dream, knowing that their shared secrets and bond would remain unbroken. As Mayor Evelyn embarked on her journey, Willowbrook was no longer just a town, but a place where secrets were transformed into tapestry of trust and connection. And so, the whispering oak continued to stand tall in the meadow, its leaf wrestling with the echoes of countless secrets, serving as timeless reminder that sharing one's truth could bring a community closer together.